Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the integration and transfer of new contacts from Zoho Inventory to Pipedrive. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, in Pipedrive you can create new deals and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choose the system Pipedrive. Next, you need to select an action. Create deal. At this point you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain and API key. To get this data, go to your Pipedrive personal account. Copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. In order to get the API key, we return to the Pipedrive personal account. Then go to Profile Settings. Now go to the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point you see the Pipedrive fields to create a new deal. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Pipedrive as new deals for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, Click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Pipedrive. After successful submission, go to Pipedrive and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Pipedrive data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.